Psalms 91, reading from verse 1 to 16. We live within the shadow of the Almighty, sheltered by the God who is above all gods. This I declare, that He alone is my refuge, my place of safety. He is my God, and I am trusting in Him. For He rescues you from every trap and protects you from the fatal plague. He will shield you with His wings. They will shelter you. His faithful promises are your armor. Now you don't need to be afraid of the dark anymore, nor fear the dangers of the day, nor dread the plagues of darkness, nor disasters in the morning. Though 1,000 fall at my side, though 10,000 are dying around me, the evil one will not touch me. I will see how the wicked are punished, but I will not share it. For Jehovah is my refuge. I chose the God above all gods to shelter me. How then can evil overtake me, or any plague come near? For He orders His angels to protect you wherever you go. They will steady you with their hands and keep you from stumbling against the rocks on the trail. You can safely meet a lion or step on poisonous snakes, yet even trample them beneath your feet. For the Lord says, because He loves me, I will rescue him. I will make him great because he trusts in my name. When he calls on me, I will answer. I will be with him in trouble and rescue him and honor him. I will satisfy him with a full life and give him my salvation.